What's happening, folks? This is Eli with EH Tutorials, and today we actually want to talk about my six favorite web browsers for 2021. Let's get it started. For the number one browser, we're going to start with Brave. Now, this is actually based out of Chromium, so if you're looking for something that you could use and go into the I believe it's the Chrome Web Store, you can actually connect to that and download the extensions there. It's 3 times as fast than Google Chrome, basically. It's built, like you said, it's built with Chromium, so it's going to have all that cool technology that Google Chrome has. Great for security as well. That's the other thing that we like about it. It also has, basically blocks ads and also blocks trackers. I don't know if you know what that means, but basically any tracker that's looking at your website and taking data in, it blocks that. Number 2 on the list is the Tor browser. Now, if you can see, pretty much it's a browser that it's a modified version of Firefox. So you're going to get all the cool features that Firefox has, but also you're going to be able to browse anonymously. And that's really cool when you think about it, because these days you got to worry about your data being stolen. So you're going to be able to browse with this browser anonymously. And that it can't get any better than that. It's also an open source browser, so you get all that cool stuff. So definitely check it out. Number 3 is no other than Microsoft Edge. Now, we actually did a video on this, so we're going to link it in the bottom of this video. But basically, Microsoft Edge is a really cool browser. I mean, it's based out of Chrome, which they actually just redid recently. Basically, it doesn't hog too many resources, and that's something that I like a lot about it. You also have the quick links and bookmarks that you can set up. Another thing too is you can actually have it read aloud for you. So if you went to a website and you actually wanted to read for you what the article says, it can actually do that, and that's just really awesome that it has that feature. It also works on Linux, I believe, which is really strange for something, for a Microsoft web browser. That's just, you never think of that's going to happen. I'm going to actually show you the read aloud feature here. So if you right click here next to the text, it should start reading things aloud for you.
From pizza to pasta, frozen foods you should stop buying.
See? And you can actually have it read different things. Again, I have a video on this browser and comparing it, so I will link it so you can take a look at it and learn more about this really awesome browser. Number 4 on the list is Vivaldi. Now, this web browser was basically created by the co-founder of the Opera browser, which recently was sold, I believe, to a Chinese company. It has a lot of customized features that you could do. It has a built-in ad blocker as well, so it's going to help you blocking all these really bad ads that are out there, and sometimes they even cause viruses, believe it or not. It also has end-to-end encryption, and that's also a really awesome feature when you think about it, because it's the protection and security of your data. You also have tab stacking, which you can actually put the tabs together, and it's just really awesome. Another cool feature that I like a lot about this is the capture, which I'm showing you right over here. It lets you capture either a full page or a selection. Lets you save that photo, and then you can save it if you're trying to save a photo from something that you like or whatever. It gives you that option to do it on the computer. So that's always something that if you're a Vivaldi user, you're going to definitely enjoy if you use that feature. I believe this web browser is also basically based out of Chrome, so you're going to have access to the Chrome store as well. So all those nice extensions that they have there, you should be able to get access to that, and that's also really awesome. And finally, one of the cool features that I like a lot is the little game that they have. Is called Vivaldi. If you click on it, you can actually play it, and it looks like one of those 80s type of games from back in the day. Oh, a little loud. And it's one of those type of arcade games. I'll even lower the music. If you can see that it has the options for you to play a little bit and jump up and down, space. Kind of reminds me like a Streets of Rage type of game. I don't know. Oh, I just died. And kind of reminds me of Sonic right there. So that's always really cool. Number 5 on the list here is Mozilla Firefox. Now, in case you didn't know, Mozilla Firefox is actually an open source browser. It came out, I believe, it's in 2002. So if you're looking for something that's been around for a while, pretty much figure things out, this is a browser you want to check out. I actually started using that browser a long time ago. I believe it was in 2002 when it came out. So a buddy of mine told me about it, and it was just really a great browser. So I started using it. The features pretty much, it has a picture-to-picture mode. I mean, it even has a screen capture tool, and it actually has a reader mode as well, similar to the one that Microsoft Edge has when if you try to have an article read. So you definitely want to check that one out. So now let's move into the next and final browser. The final browser that we wanted to talk about here is Google Chrome. Yes, Google Chrome. If you are looking for a browser that just gives you everything, you want to go with this one. I've tried using different browsers. I even use Microsoft Edge, and I love that one a lot. But with Google Chrome, it just seems like I just keep coming back to that. It's very easy to use. It has basically cross-platform support. So if you have an Android phone, you can pretty much look at your bookmarks right on your phone, and you can open them up. You can send stuff to it from your phone if you have a Android phone, and works on Windows and Macs as well. I believe they have a Linux version as well. Like I said, lots of extensions to this. You're going to be able to go to the Chrome Web Store. It is the most popular browser at the end of the day, so we definitely recommend it. Signing off, this is Eli with EH Tutorials. Be sure to like this video, share it with your friends. Also, make sure to hit the little bell at the bottom of this video. Take care, folks.